Okay, this video is for avid Harry Potter fans. If you don't like Harry Potter, you may appreciate this video. I don't know. But anyway, I love the Taiwan versions, the dust jackets for the Harry Potter books, the Taiwan edition over there. It is gorgeous. I mean, the art style is perfect. It's a mix of like anime and like it's just perfect. I don't know who designed them because their name is not in English. So I'm not actually sure even how to read it, but they are stunning. I mean, like, just look at them. I mean, come on. Hello? Anyway, recently, for several Christmases ago, somebody bought all of them for me and they were all framed. Well, I recently moved and they just don't really work where I want to put them unless they were all together. Cue this video. So I created this image right here. So I put all of them together, kind of blurred them, and then I added emblems on the side there to like kind of complete it because otherwise it would just be blank space. And anyway, it just came in today. I used a company called Canvas Champ, and hopefully it came out good. So let's just open it up here and see what we got. There is a hole here that's a little bit concerning. Unless it's the back, it doesn't matter, but it seems squishy, so I'm assuming it's the back. Cut with care. Just kidding. We have confirmation the hole is on the back, so the picture should be fine. While I'm working on this, I paid the extra, like, I don't know, I think it was like $5 for like the HDR rendering to make it like more vibrant. So hopefully it printed nice. I mean, I had a very high quality image to start with, so anyway, moment of truth. Maybe. Just kidding. They really have it packed up in here pretty good. Now I think I got it. So, moment of truth. Hey, it looks pretty good. There is a crack on the back, but the picture's fine, so I think I'll leave it. I don't really know why this piece is even here because it doesn't come out. It's probably for stability, but hey, if the picture looks fine, I don't really care that much. But let me show you guys up close here. It really does look good. I didn't pay for, there's like a glaze that you can buy over the top, but I didn't want it to be reflective because then you kind of can't see all the really cool details. But I'm impressed. I mean, I think the quality came out great. I like all of my designs of blending, I think also came out pretty great. Yeah, I got no complaints here. You can see where obviously they are dust jackets, so this part is blank, but I just added some sparkles that matched with each one so that it kind of blended a little more cohesively other than just having blank space. Of course, we have the Deathly Hallows over there, and then we've got the house crust over here. Really cool. So I'll hang it up later, but I think it matches the motif pretty good. But yeah, the Taiwan versions of the Harry Potter books, man, I would almost like buy those dust jackets and then put them on my Harry Potter books instead of the ones that they come with because they just look amazing.